This video will demonstrate how to perform a reverse stamp image lookup. Stamp collectors sometimes run into a stamp they cannot identify. Rather than spend time flipping through pages in the catalog, you can simply scan a stamp and use a reverse image lookup. Here is an Arabic-looking stamp that I cannot identify. I start by scanning the stamp and saving the file to my computer. Next, I'll open Google in my browser and navigate to the image selection in the upper right-hand corner. The screen changes to Google Image with a small camera icon in the search bar. Clicking on the camera icon opens the Search by Image dialog box with two tabs. Since I want to upload my scanned stamp file, I'll click on the Upload Image tab. I then click on the Browse button and navigate to my saved scanned image. This uploads the file, and Google will display any image on the internet which matches my scanned file. It displays website links to possible matches along with visually similar images. For this demonstration, I'll click on the Visually Similar Images link. This opens a page with possible matching images the search engine has found. I click on one of the promising looking matches and am taken to a website with an identification. This website identifies my scanned image as a 1973 Bahrain surcharged for war refugees stamp. If you use Chrome as a browser, Google has made it easy to quickly search on any image that is on a web page. For example, here is an unknown stamp in the SCF community that somebody is asking about. Using Chrome, I only have to right-click on the image and navigate to Search Google for Image. Google displays a number of websites and matching images. Scrolling down, I see there is a website with matching images, but it is in a language I do not understand. So I simply have to navigate to the Translate button to tell Google to translate the page and identify the stamp as being from Taiwan. Lastly, not everyone is a fan of Google, but there are alternative reverse image lookup sites. One such site is tineye.com. Here, I have scanned and saved another unknown stamp to my computer. I'll open Tineye in my browser, click on the Browse button, and navigate to my saved stamp image. I see that Tineye has found 22 potential matches. Passing the cursor over the image displays a Compare button. Clicking on the Compare button allows me to toggle between my image and the one Tineye has found. Next, I'll open this link in a new tab using a right mouse click. This wiki page contains the entire postal history of Europe, so I'll have to hunt for the matching stamp. Scrolling down the page, I eventually find the image. My stamp is from Georgia and was issued in 1919. Thanks for watching. There are more articles, videos, tools, and other useful philatelic resources on stampsmarter.com.